Artist Play Lab Generate 2022 wants to be able to provide young people and teachers opportunities to learn how to create inclusive theater in their schools, being able to promote culture, being able to promote the talents of every young artist, but also being able to show to the world the important values of sustainable development.
Okay, so KIO works with experts in the industries or experts in the field. For theater arts education, for example, PETA, we believe in PETA's ability to share its technologies in creating this kind of mindset for the youth and children to be active global citizens through theater arts education. We believe that PETA can actually influence the educational system for us to enhance their curriculum, to develop learning materials so that we can share and propagate this to everyone.
Na gustong iiwan sa ating audience.
Serve your country with your art.
Di po siya lecture. It's an entire journey and experience.
I think PETA and KIO both share the value of and recognizes the value of young people, empowering young people, providing spaces for young people so that they can become better citizens of the world. PETA and KIO believes in the creative power of every young person, and that every young person has a contribution in creating a better world.
To have fun, continue to play, continue to enjoy, continue to innovate, because that is your passport for the future. That is the new currency of the future. Not be afraid to be yourself and aspire to become the best version of yourselves.